Hey everyone, welcome to Furniture Recreated. My name is Melanie, and this week's project is this disgusting buffet behind me. And I say disgusting because it's disgusting. It's so gross. The top, I'm a little worried it's water damaged. I may have to paint the top. I don't know what I've got myself into, but stick around. We'll see how it goes. The process of refinishing a piece of furniture, it depends on the person. And for me, I usually go into it not really knowing what I'm going to do, unless it's commissioned, and then I usually do know. So here's my process really quick. The top, if I could stain it and show the wood, I would. But there are water stains on it and they're not sanding out. Usually what happens when the water gets into the wood, it kind of turns gray, and that's exactly what this is. The top I have to paint. Now, there's a little curve that was made with a router around the edge of the top. I thought about just leaving that wood grain. I still might. I wanted to leave the front and the sides of the top wood, but there's a lot of green wood in there and it's kind of in portions, and no, it's not going to look good. So I'll probably paint that. There is a chance that I'll stain that little section that was routed out. Now, on to the next part, the sides. I'm going to show you real quick. I just sanded those sides, the edges that go down to the legs. That is solid wood, which means staining it, it's a good idea. It's going to look nice. The wood is nice quality. So that's a yes. So I'm going to be staining those sides. I'm calling them sides. I guess they're corners. The drawers, the two big drawers, I will be staining. They sanded really nicely. They're vertical, which is kind of cool. It's different. The smaller drawers, the smaller drawers, a little harder to sand. This section here, I can't get my orbital sander in there. I did use my Ryobi cat or mouse or iron, but that was hard to control. It's a little crazy. It's a random sander too, but it's got a point on it. It's a little nutty. You really have to hold on to it tight. Anyway, so I'm painting around. It's not done yet, obviously. So I'm going to leave the edges stained so that will show wood. And then this will all be painted, and all of the smaller drawers, the thin drawers, will be like this. And I did that because that center I couldn't get to. That kind of made the decision for me, which is really what a lot of this is. I'm still not sure about the doors. I'll probably do the edges wood and paint the center, unless that is too much. I'm not sure. That's what I have planned. Will this be easy to do, or will this take a whole lot more time? My thought on this one is, let's do it simple. Let's take the easy way out, but let's still make it nice, interesting, and something that someone's going to want to buy. Curb appeal, if you will. All right, I'm going to get back to work, so stick around. So I've come to the part where I'm supposed to be painting here, and if you can see, I started to take things apart. This is how it looked. And the reason I did that is because it seemed pretty complicated as far as painting. Not difficult, but it felt like it was going to be too much going on. But some of it I could stain, some of it I can paint, and not all of it I could stain, and not all of it I wanted to paint. So I decided to eliminate that problem by taking off all these little doodads and making it a little more just clean. And I think it'll look better this way. I'm gonna finish this side and then go to this side. There's nothing really to see, but you won't smell anything. There's nothing really to smell now. You may have noticed there are a couple of things missing on the two big drawers. Yep, that's it, hardware. This is what I chose, and the measurements, I measured more than twice, and I thought for sure that they would be all right. But when I went to put them on, they are just a little off, and look how gorgeous that would have been. Ugh, my heart is breaking. I went online to see if they had another size, but 4 3/4 is kind of a weird size, of course, and they don't have this. I've been wanting to use a half moon pole for a long time, and lo and behold, I can't use it today either. Now, there is one little chance that I could enlarge these holes enough to adjust it, but I'm a little leery about that. I am going to check with my carpenter husband, Phil, to see what he thinks and see if that would work. This is natural. What a beautiful color. Again, I love these natural colored woods, and I really like the combination of the hardware and all of the colors together. So all I need is hardware, and this piece will be complete. Stay tuned for the after pictures if you want to see it complete. Thanks for being here. Good luck on your next project, and I will see you next time.
You can do it.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. You can find more videos just like this on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe.